to Disneyland. For the Disneyland park yesterday. We went to Disney's California Adventure. We basically did everything in the park yesterday.
Yeah, we pretty much walked it all out. Sometimes we made extra trips.
Oh yeah, no. We definitely ran around the park, maybe like ping-ponged a little bit, took advantage of that fast pass and the max pass. Bing-bonged for Inside Out, not ping-ponged. But today we are going to be in Disneyland. I don't know that we have a set plan. It's probably going to be the same thing where we just pick a side and go around in a circle and take advantage of that max pass as much as we can. We have the whole gang with us this morning again, and I guess we'll keep you updated.
Yep, we'll keep you updated on everywhere we go and how cool things are, and if something's broke or something's even better than it was when we got here.
Yep, sounds good. Fantasyland. Dad, Austin, and Heather just went on the Matterhorn, so I'm chilling here with Mom and baby Atlas. We did a lot. We completed everything, we did everything and rode everything and saw everything in Adventureland, Frontierland, Critter Country, New Orleans, everything on that side of the park. So we went back to the hub, we got a Dole Whip, we got all kinds of stuff like that before that. So then we went back to the hub, we went to Fantasyland, and we just rode the Matterhorn. Personally, I did not like it, and I'm really upset because the last trip that I took was a school trip, and the teacher that took us is from California, and he's like, dude, you gotta ride the Matterhorn, it's so fun, whatever. But it was down when we came, so of course we're all upset. We're like, oh man, we wanted to ride it, and it's down, so we didn't get to ride it. So it was up this time, a couple years later, and I'm just gonna go ahead and say that there are not enough thrills on that ride for the amount of jolting around that there is. Like, I felt like I was just on the ride to be jolted around with no drops, no nothing. Also, it's not a bobsled ride, and that's what it's advertised as. Maybe they just call it Matterhorn bobsleds because it's in the mountain. I get that. But when we looked at it, we were like, okay, bobsled ride, cool. We have one of those back home. But I don't really know what our plan is for the rest of this. We don't have a fast pass yet, so I think we're just gonna go around Fantasyland and see what lines are short, what lines we need a fast pass, and then we'll make it over to Tomorrowland, and probably by then we might get some more food, But we're just kind of working around until fireworks and Fantasmic back over at Frontierland. So we'll keep you updated. On the ground in Toon Town. We had to rest our legs. Austin and Heather are riding Gadget's Go Coaster while the rest of us already rode it. Basically in Toon Town we did a lot of character sightings.
Yeah, pretty good showing of characters out here. They're just about everywhere. You can get in line, take your picture with them, get your fan books, an autograph book signed, which is pretty cool.
Yeah. We toured all their houses that they have. We got to see the SS Miss Daisy, that's Donald's boat. So we also went and rode the Roger Rabbit cartoon spin. That's right when you walk into Toon Town. Before that we did Small World, we already did Matterhorn. I think after this we are going to go back to Fantasyland and we're going to finish up what's left over there. And then we're going to go to Tomorrowland and do all that. I know that we have a fast pass for Space Mountain, but that's tonight at some point, so we got plenty of time.
Yeah.
But yeah, we did a lot, so it's so hot here though. But we're doing good.
Shade is of the premium.
Oh yeah, and there's a breeze. There's a nice breeze. But yeah, we're doing good. We're trekking through and we're having a great day.